Yo, what's going on? I just wanted to take time to tell you guys about a great book I finished reading not too long ago. It's called Trailblazers of Destiny, The Search for Pandora's Box. It's by a good friend of mine, Jay Alfred, and Knowledge and Power Publishing. I think this is a good book that you should check out. It's a good read for adults as well as kids. Perfect for middle schoolers, even a good introductory book for elementary kids. It basically tells the story of black historical figures, and it's a science fiction book because they have superhero type powers. It's like Black History meets the Avengers or the X-Men. So I highly recommend the book. It's a great read. It's a lot of plots and twists in there, and it's a lot of uncommon characters in the book. You know, it does have the typical Martin Luther King, Malcolm X, Rosa Parks in the book, but there are also some surprise characters in the book that you typically don't hear about in school, even during Black History Month. So what I'd like for you to do is go to trailblazersofdestiny.com, or you can go at Trailblazers of Destiny on IG or on Twitter. DM them, mention them, and get yourself a copy of the book. It's a great read. He basically autographs and makes it personalized for every person that purchases the book. And I don't want to give a spoiler, but I think there's more to come with the Trailblazers of Destiny. So once again, go get the book, Trailblazers of Destiny, for your kid. Get you a copy for yourself. It's a good read. Remember, readers are leaders.